Hello, student. Okay, what is your greatest weakness? You talk about maybe my English not that good. I'm taking English class. Okay, translation. 你要講你話我英文唔係幾好，我而家學緊英文，一定要講你點樣可以 improve。第二個啦。What is your greatest strength？ 你就話 I'm hardworking， OK， I'm detail oriented。咁啦，第三啦，就講一個 scenario，talk about a scenario，the problem，how you solve the problem，and what that benefit to your boss。For example， 即係一個 scenario， 一個處境。發生咩事你點解決？唔係用中文講㗎，要用英文啊 ，use English，OK？ For example, you will say, one time, I was working as a custodian. Someone fell down. I help her or him up, and then check the situation. Maybe I call 911.And that person get well, and my boss was happy, and the client is doing good now. 講一個 problem 有咩發生，你點解決？對於公司有咩好處？ Or one time, one student told me, I work in a restaurant. Someone left a bag there with a lot of money.Then I told my boss know that customer, call the customer up. The customer pick up the money and very thankful to me and my restaurant. You see, you tell a problem, how you solve it. Okay, 明白嗎？Use English and small talk. Small talk, what is small talk? 閒談。One student sent me a video saying 嗰隻有走地雞啊，好得意啊 ，but it's funny. But you talk in English. Oh, I saw a video about chicken running around. Very funny, like something like this. Or I like your hairstyle. I like your new shirt. I like your dress. I like your shoe. Or did you watch Olympic? Hey, did you watch Super Bowl?Small talk. Oh, it's a beautiful weather. Something like this. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye.